Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, Dost, and yes, still in the host mode. I'm Mohit Jain with the Wipro series episode 8. Today we have like a mock test of 14 questions on reasoning ability, which we need to do it in 14 minutes. So the drill is very simple. I'll give you 55 to 60 seconds for each question. Do not pause the video. Try to solve that question in that particular minute, and after 14 minutes, we'll try to solve all the questions, and we will do it. So these questions are basically from different topics like coding, decoding, blood relation, direction sense, deductive logic, logical word sequence, sitting arrangement, be it linear or circular, data sufficiency, puzzles, alphabet ranking test, and few from number series and operators. We know that the first four and the data sufficiency always will form at least 60 to 70% of your 14 question paper. So let's begin. Let's begin in this 14 minutes. Drill is again very simple. Do not pause the video. Read the question and try to do it in the given time. And after 14 minutes, we'll see what the solution should be. And don't forget to put in your score in the comment box and any other method if you think that you have, which is quick, swift, and better than what we have discussed in the video. It's all welcomed. Please do that. It will help us improve. So on this note, let's begin now. Starting from point S, Mahesh walked 25 meters south. He turns to his left and walked 50 meters. He again turns to his left and walked 25 meters. He again turned to his left and walked 60. This is 50 and now 10, 60 and reach point W. How far is Mahesh from the point S? As we can see, it is 10 meters. And in which direction? It is in direction opposite West Bengal. That is west. 10 meter west. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row. E and F are in the center. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these two people are in the center. This is either EF or FE. A and B are at the ends. AB, BA. Then who is sitting on the right of B? Okay, one more information is there. C is sitting on the left of A. So if A is here, C cannot be on the left of A. That means A is here and C should be here. If A is here, C is here at this second place from the right, then A, B, C, D. D is left. D should be placed here and B should be here. So the sitting arrangement should be BD. We are confused with EF, but we have CA. Who is sitting on the right of B? Right of B is obviously D. I'll go with option B, that is D. P, Q, R, S, T and U are 6 members of a family in which there are 2 married couples. So it may be like this type of family tree. I can visualize. T is a teacher and married to doctor. T, teacher and with the doctor. Who is mother? That means doctor is female. Mother of R and U. Q is lawyer and is married to P. Q, lawyer and P. Of the 2 married ladies, one is half housewife. So doctor is married one, P should be housewife. P has 1 son and 1 grandson. That means this is how they are connected. Q and P, housewife, lawyer, and then teacher and doctor, RU. P, Q, R, S. Doctor should be S. There is also 1 student and 1 male engineer in the family. So whatever be the gender of RU, one of them is a student and one of them is engineer. And engineer is male. Which of the following is true about the granddaughter? One of them is the granddaughter. If engineer is male, then granddaughter should be the student. What is true about the granddaughter of the family? She. Yes, she is a student. Choose the conclusion which follows. A question from deductive logic. All copies are book. All copies are book. No book is pencil. That means the set pencil should be out of this preview. All pencils are rubbers. So we can have a Venn diagram like this. Book, pencil, all pencil are rubbers. We can have a Venn diagram like this. Copy, book, pencil. We can have a Venn diagram like this for rubber. Because no information is given related to rubber, book and copies. So rubber set can be a disjoint set with these two, can be a part of book, or it can be a part of book or copies both. So no rubber is a book. Here no rubber is a book, but here few rubber is our book. Here also few rubber are book. I'm not sure whether conclusion 1 follows in all the 3 or not. Number 2, some copies are rubber. Here no copy is rubber. Here also no copy is rubber. But here some copies are rubber. So what we can see that conclusion 1 is not true in the first diagram, but true in these diagram number 2 and diagram number 3. Some copies are rubbers. That is not true in the first one, but not true in the second one even, but true in the third one. So if I choose this third one, here both are true, but both are not true in Venn diagram 1 and Venn diagram 2. So initially we can't say only 1 follows or only 2 follows. Either 1 or 2 may follow. If 1 is correct in Venn diagram number 2, then 2 is not correct in any one of these 1 or 2. Then either 1 or 2 will also not follow. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Neither 1 nor 2 follows in 1, but there is problem with 2 and 3 because it follows in 3. That means both of them will not follow in all the 3 taken together. Which one to be selected? D. In all the 3 Venn diagrams associated together, the best one is neither 1 nor 2 follows, because then it should follow in each Venn diagram which we make. Select the conclusion which follows from the given 1 to 3 statements. Some newspapers are ACs. Some newspapers are AC. Some AC are trees. So I can have one more. Newspaper, AC, and some ACs are trees. That means like some trees can be newspaper also. All books are AC. Then we can have books like this. All books. Or book set can be also like this, or with 1 or 2. Let's see what conclusion we can have. Some books are newspaper. Some books are newspaper, not in the first one, but if we take here, then some books are newspaper. In the second Venn diagram, some books, we can have books, not necessarily. So it is not following in all the 4 Venn diagrams. All books are trees. All books are trees, no book is tree here. All trees are books, not necessarily. Some books are not newspaper. Some books are not newspaper. Here also we can see some books are not newspaper. Some books are not newspaper. Option 4 is there. Option 4 is there, which should follow. Now we can do a little bit of smart work that option 4 follows only with this option C. Since option 4 follows and these are the closed options, I'll pick up C as an answer. Either 4 or 1 follows. We can have different set of Venn diagrams to prove this further, but it is certain that some books are not newspapers. Reaching the place of meeting on Tuesday 15 minutes before 8:30. That means reached at 8:15. Ankita found herself half an hour earlier. Half an hour earlier means someone is supposed to come at 8:45, earlier than the man who was 40 minutes late. So man came there at 8:45, but he was 40 minutes late. What was the scheduled time of the meeting? If we deduct 40 minutes from 8:45, what we have is 8:05. This was the scheduled time of meeting. Option B. Looking at the women sitting next to him. So we have Amit and a woman sitting next to him. Amit said, she is the sister of husband of Amit's wife. Amit's wife, husband is Amit himself. So Amit's sister is the actual woman who is sitting beside Amit, isn't it? So how is the woman related to Amit? Is his sister. A3P means A is mother of P. In these kind of question, I think just if we can write the code. 3 is mother, 4 brother, 9 husband, and 5 means daughter. Then which of the following means K is mother-in-law of M and J is brother-in-law of M? So K should be female, J should be male at least to start with. M9, M is husband of N. N is mother of K. Then K is not anyway mother-in-law of M. Again K4J, K is brother of J. K is indicating as male here in K4J. Option A doesn't work. M is husband of N. N is daughter of K. K is mother of J. K is female, N is female, M is male. M is certainly son-in-law of K. K is mother-in-law of M. Fine. But what about J? We don't have the gender for J. That's why we can't say whether J is brother-in-law or sister-in-law of M. K5J. K is daughter of J. J is husband of M. J is husband of M. That means M should be female, I guess. So M is mother of N. How is K and M attached? K is daughter of J. How K and M would be mother-in-law? That's not possible here again. None of the above follows. Okay, next question from coding decoding. If reason is coded at 50, believed at 70, what should be the code for government? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reason is a 6 alphabet word and the code is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 code is 70. So we can visualize it is something like number of alphabets minus 1 into 10. 6 minus 1, 50. 8 minus 1, 7, 70. Government is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 should be equals to 90. That is 9 into 10. Option C fits in. Okay, 2 statements are given and 2 conclusions. We need to identify from the given statement which all conclusion follows. P is greater than equals to Q is equals to R. Q is equals to R. And Q is greater than S greater than T. That means we can also say R is greater than S greater than T. Okay, T is 5, S is 6, R is 7, Q is 7. P can be anything, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. So conclusion, P is greater than T. P is 7 which is greater than T, but it won't be equals to T ever. No, it is not equals to T. T is less than Q. T is 5, Q is certainly 7, T is less than Q. We are confused with 1 because it cannot be equals to ever. So certainly option or conclusion 2 follows. Option B. If white is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called black, black is called violet. Huh. And violet is called orange. Then what would be the color of human blood? Human blood color is red, sir. But red is called yellow. So please mark on yellow, option D. Choose the odd one out. 1, 2, 5, 6. If I look carefully, 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7. 5, 3, 9, 7. 5 plus 7 is 12, 9 plus 3 is 12. 8, 7, 6, 5. 8 plus 5 is 13, 7 plus 6 is 13. 9, 8, 4, 2. 9, 2 is 11, 8, 2 is 12. I'll go with option D. Find the missing number in the following series. And the basic drill is always to find the differences and then proceed. But many a times this won't help. So the next would be, look at these numbers. 4, 18, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth. And as I can observe, this 4 is divisible by 1. If I take first term as 1, 4 is divisible by 1, I'll get 4. 18 by 2 will get 9. 100 by 4 is 25. 180 by 5 is 36. 294 by 6 is 49. And if you observe, these are 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. This should be 4 square. 16 into 3, 48. In the question given below, 3 statement 1, 2, 3 are given. You are required to find out which of the given statement is or are sufficient to answer the question. On which day Suresh went to Chennai? A week starts on Monday. Suresh took leave on Wednesday, but that's not sure that whether he went on Wednesday. Not enough alone. Suresh went to Chennai the next day of the day his mother came to his house. We don't know when did his mother actually came to his house. 2 is not sufficient alone. If I combine 1 and 2, again I don't know when did his mother came to his house. 1 and 2 together are also not sufficient enough. Suresh's mother came to his house neither on Monday or Friday. So we have options like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. Again confused with 5 options. But this piece of information alone is not sufficient enough to answer. Suresh, now I'm asking you, when did you went to Chennai? And Suresh said, I have no data given to you so that you can answer it. Even 1, 2 and 3 together are not sufficient for me to answer actually. Then when did Suresh went to Chennai? Happy journey, Suresh. Thank you everyone for participating. I hope that you have participated well and have scored well too. So put your score in the comment box and do let us know how it went and what were the difficulties you have faced and how we can improve on our quality of explanation and quality of solutions, if any. Please do that. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And we are coming up with the mock test on quantitative ability test 16 question episode 9 and 10 very soon, maybe next week or by this weekend. So stay connected, take these tests, and these will certainly help you out in scoring good at Wipro National Level Talent Hunt. It's announced and we would be writing that very soon, isn't it? So on that note, it's Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'll see you soon. Yes, I'll see you soon. Thank you.